Hello. Please stay connected. Stay connected. Hello, my friends. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to DK Spoken English classes. How are you all? I hope you are fine. People are doing great and learning language a great way. So today I will talk about how you can speak English. Okay, this is a main reason. Okay, how to start speak English. Okay, actually there are so many students afraid of speaking to English. Okay, I'm also. Okay, I'm also. Okay, so those students you are a new, please, you haven't watched my previous video, then I request you, please go and watch my all previous video. If you do not watch my previous video, then you can't understand anything. So I request you, please, you you go to my YouTube channel and type, and you can also search at the rate DKSR99. And actually in previous video I will understand you how to start speak English. Understand? So without wasting time, let's begin our classes. Did you understand? Listen, actually today I am feeling very cold today. Okay, so I wore raincoat or cap. Okay, did you understand? So how to start speak English? This is a big question. Okay, actually most of the people think, oh my god, if I speak English wrong, what did people say? Please don't listen anyone. Every can make mistake. Okay, every can make mistake. So don't afraid of people and don't afraid of speaking English. Okay, I already told you, listening listening is most important. Okay, listen to English songs, news, English cartoon. Okay, you watched every day and you listen very carefully. Don't look here and there. That time you watch a video very careful. Did you understand? And some grammar is also. Okay, actually I am not talking about you have to study a lot of grammar rules. No. Okay, I'm not going to share with you, you have to learn vocabulary at 5,000, 10,000. You need to perfect in grammar, you need to perfect in vocabulary. Not. If you want to improve your English, 30 days. Okay, so first of all you will start. Is it possible? 30, in 30 days you will start speaking English? Yes, it's possible. But how? You have to follow my rule. If you do not follow my rule, then you can't speak English. Suppose that, where are you sitting? Suppose you are sitting in the garden. Okay, that that time what you discuss, you talk to yourself. Okay, I am sitting in the garden. There are so many plants in the garden, as the mango tree, guava tree, neem tree, siso tree. There are so many plants. Okay, plant give us oxygen. We get food from plants. Understand? Just like you start speaking. Okay, birds are chirping on the tree. Some birds are sitting on the electric wire. Okay, people are working in the field. Okay, you can say anything, you can take the topic, farmers. Okay, I I know you also heard the story of a farmer. A farmer lived in a village. He had four sons. He did okay. His son did not work at all. He was a lazy person. Okay, he sleeps whole day. Okay, so you what you take the any story and try to speak and listen most carefully. Tense, everybody, for beginners, tense is more important. If you do, if you do not know tense, I think you can't speak English never. Okay, so you have to learn tense, present, past, and future. Did you understand? You have to learn somehow present, past, and future. Okay, are you searching good platform? Okay, oh my god, okay, where did I complete my tense? Okay, don't worry, I am here to help you. I have also, in my previous video, I also teach the tense. Okay, so I request you, please go and watch my video. And I have made that there are so many videos, tenses. Okay, present tense, present, past, and future. Okay, present. Try to take example word and translate into present, past, and future. Just I okay, I take the example. I take the example. Okay, she speaks English. You translate present indefinite. She speaks English. She does not speak English. Does she speak English? Does she not speak English? Why does she speak English? Got it? Present indefinite and end and present continuous. She is speaking English. Okay. She is not speaking English. Is she speaking English? Is she not speaking English? Why is she speaking English? Present continuous, end. Present perfect. Okay. The present perfect. She has spoken English. She has not spoken English. Has she spoken English? Has she not spoken English? Why has she spoken English? You can also learn. Friend, believe me, 100%, 100% you will speak if you watch my video and listen to English news. Okay, you don't need to understand 100%. You learn new words and improve day by day. If you want to speak, if you want to speak English better, you must watch every day. Listen. Listening is main power. If you listen, your mind is focused. Okay, and day by day, you can you can start. This is the big problem. You do not start. Oh my god, if you speak English wrong, nobody kill you. Understand? Nobody kill you. The firstly, I request you to speak English slowly, slowly. Just, just I can play. I am a good boy. I live in my parents. I go to a school on foot. She is dancing. She is a beautiful girl. Okay, you speak little by little. One day you can speak English fluently. Just you wait, and I request you, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friend. Actually, I always, I always told you I don't need anything, but I need only one things. Will you give me? I hope you will give me. What what do I need? I need what? Please subscribe to my channel and like and share with your friend. Okay, and follow my channel because every day by day, I okay, day by day I uploaded a video how to start speaking is okay, and please don't afraid to speak English. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep growing, keep studying, keep learning. Till then, bye bye, have a nice day. Nice to talk to you.